Watch me spend it like it's nothing, but she love it. All my bitches stay thuggin'. Been rapping for a minute, you could say I'm on to something. Made a couple hundred, add some commas, motherfucker, that's my budget. Never worry about you niggas. I only speak the truth though. You with too many niggas, you faggots, menudo. She call me by my pseudo. You could catch me with my new hoe when she got too much ass, can barely fit her in my two-dough. Damn, your pockets hurtin', boy, and I just broke the bank. And I need a southern girl to show me how to mix that drink. Cool, reppin' for my city long as my team with me. I've been getting bad bitches since I weighed $150, right? Wintertime, I'm still hot. Summertime, never cooling off. Take a shot, I just started. Pop a pill, she do it all. I hope I get to spin it though, but this ain't nothing really, and I'm only 23, bitch. Working on a Billy Measy, nigga. My time is money. My watch keep ticking. You niggas worry. Your girl is missing. These bitches love me. These women tripping, coming from the rule in my city, trying to get it, boy. Real niggas don't talk too much. Pussy niggas, y'all say too much, and I'm down for whatever. Cause all my niggas, they ready, boy, yeah. My time is money. My watch keep ticking. You niggas worry. Your girl is missing. And I'm shooting like I can't miss. Niggas mad cause they ain't this. Look at money like you strangers. These bitches all around me like I just became famous. They say the game the same, just a bunch of newer players. I'm feeling like I'm faded, boy, and I just spent a grip. But I never pay these hoes, nigga, I don't even tip. Southern girls falling for me on my Midwest shit. You know the words to all my songs like I'm the Midwest tip. When this city love, it's no wonder that I blew it. You not living how I'm living, so don't tell me how to do it. A nigga stay in beast mode and you slipping like you Gino. Plus I think you said enough. Pussy nigga, what you speak for? All this money is mounting up. True story, I never count it up. Overtime, you don't know about it. I go to work like I'm bossing up. Call them motivation, they been hating for the longest. If the label talking money, tell them add another comma, bitch, I'm on it. My time is money. My watch keep ticking. You niggas worry. Your girl is missing. These bitches love me. These women tripping, coming from the rule in my city, trying to get it, boy. Real niggas don't talk too much. Pussy niggas, y'all say too much, and I'm down for whatever. Cause all my niggas, they ready, boy, yeah. My time is money. My watch keep ticking. You niggas worry. Your girl is missing.